to Let's Talk Nifty, where we try and analyze what the Indian stock markets are going to do today. So, as usual, starting with the weekly chart, last week's candle was a pretty bad one. Bear sash, a very powerful one. So, if we look at it, let's understand where the next support comes from. So, next support is at 19604. And then this low might act as support, which is 19225. That's so if 19604 doesn't hold, then we are talking about a 400 point fall from there. So we need to be a little bit careful here, because the selling that has happened has been very violent, right? So now we go to daily chart. Same situation there. You can probably set the targets here rightly. So the same supports hold for daily as well. And going into 15-minute chart, let's understand where the resistance might come from. So if we look at it, we have a strong resistance at around 720 to 740, right? And then again our 17990, and above that 17840, right? So there are a lot of resistances up. So we have had 4 days of continuous selling. There is nothing to indicate that it has ended, so we will trade as per what the major trend is. So good thing would be to see if it opens gap up and then takes a resistance at 19721 to 19740, and then it's a good trade up to 19604. Now let's look at Banknifty. Banknifty's weekly candle is also worse. It turned exactly from the resistance, so kind of made a double top here, and so the bottom of 43,571 is going to be very, very important. So it looks like it will reach there by the size of this candle. And daily chart is also pretty bad to look at. We're going to fall further today, so maybe we go to 15-minute chart and then we can look at the levels directly. So we have a resistance pretty nearby, so a gap. I wouldn't be surprised if Bank Nifty gaps down and gets resistance at 44,750, and then it can fall to 44,300 and 43,800 levels. So and below that, of course, 43,571, which is the previous swing low. So Bank Nifty looks worse than Nifty, so I prefer Bank Nifty for trading if I get an opportunity. So we have to wait for market to take resistance at one of these levels, and then give us a negative candle signal, and then I will trade for the nearest support. So that's it for the overview for today. I hope you like the content, and if you do, please do like and subscribe. If you are too busy to hit the like button, it's okay.